how to link an image on Webflow. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an image on Webflow. Just stick around till the end so you don't miss any steps. So first, let's go to the Webflow website. Once you're on the home page, hit the login button. If you want to save time, just log in using your Google account. It's fast and easy. After you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you'll see all your existing projects. Click on the one you want to edit, and that will open the Webflow Designer, which is where all the magic happens. Now to get started with linking your image, click the little plus icon to open the Add Elements panel. Here, what we need is something called a link block. Just drag that onto your page wherever you want the clickable image to be. Now that you have your link block, it's time to add an image inside it. Head back to the same Add Elements panel and grab the image element. Drag it into the link block you just placed. You'll know it's inside when Webflow highlights the container. Next, click on the image to replace the placeholder with your own image. You can either upload something from your computer or choose one you've already uploaded before. Now the fun part, making the image actually link somewhere. Click on the link block, not the image itself, and on the right-hand side in the settings panel, you'll see a space to enter a URL. Just paste in the link you want, whether it's another page on your site or an external website. And that's it. Your image is now a clickable link. With just a few drags, clicks, and a URL, you've made your site more interactive and functional. That's the beauty of Webflow. It gives you design freedom without needing to write a single line of code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow tutorials and design tips. Catch you in the next one.